Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox unable to connect to the server. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Roblox and update Roblox. Once you done that, you simply need to go and open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management, click on app list and search for the Roblox and click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache and after that you need to clear storage and then you need to log in into your Roblox account. And if you still face an issue, you simply need to go and open any browser and search for is Roblox down right now, and then you need to open this website. So here you can see that currently Roblox is down, so you need to wait for a few minutes and that issue will be resolved soon. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.